Small thin layers.
No.
What's Daan? Oh, there's a rip in your pants. So Daan's gonna finish up and we're just gonna put the clear coat on and leave it?
For now I think, yeah.
One pair of pants later.
Okay, so here we have them. They are dry as can be. This is the side you'll see, so looks yellow. Let's see how our masking works. Looks okay.
You probably should have done that while it was still sort of wet.
Is that the case?
Yeah.
Why?
Because then it'll give way instead of breaking off.
Why didn't you tell me?
I thought this is common knowledge.
You know, I hate everything with tape and masking off, so.
It is a very fluorescent yellow. The yellowest of yellow that's ever yellowed.
So let's see how it looks. Otherwise you can do the front ones a different color.
Yeah. The front one's red.
Yeah.
Or we could just keep going and paint them over and over again so it looks like that one guy that was on Just Rolled In. His brakes look like a jawbreaker.
Oh, I haven't seen it. So let's go back on. The nipple. Maybe also get this shit off.
Okay.
Okay, nice. So I think we need to maybe clean these holes a bit. What do you think? It's fine.
Oh, this is for the glide pin.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, or
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, cleaning it is always a good idea.
Yeah, and then we need to do some new lubricant on it.
So Daan put on the brackets.
And of course, I forgot that it needs to go the wrong way, all the way around first.
Yeah, break this and then wrap it. Also, it started absolutely pouring outside, the rain. Did you put Loctite on there?
No.
You should.
Why? Is this stuff that you should Loctite?
Yeah?
I don't think I did it on the front and it's still sitting as well.
Well, I did it on the cold.
Why do you tell me now?
Okay, just loosen them a bit, we'll put some Loctite on our tighten. One of these should be good. Probably one of these is fine.
You always need to only do a little bit of Loctite, right?
Yeah. Oh, that one was still locked.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice to know.
So this is probably why we needed to heat, because it's fucking Loctite. Because you need,
Oh yeah, it was.
it's probably why it was so stuck.
Yeah, definitely. There was one 2 drops.
Why?
Because you can.
No, never too much Loctite.
Lubing up the glide pins. Oh, the weather's getting worse. How does this work? Slide it on the one glide pin.
First you need to do it on the one. And get it up. The other one you can do later, because it comes from the back. But we don't need to fix this yet, because we need to get the brake pads in first.
Yeah. Did you get Brembo pads?
No. I just got the one from Cabrio where I get all my shit.
Oh.
Okay, so now we're Dremeling the clips. Look how nice they look again.
Because we're too cheap to get new clips.
Oh, this looks great. Dremel action. First other one here. Okay, well let's try to get it in. We have something very special. Old brake pads, 2 with a clip, 2 without, right? New ones, just got them new in. 2 are surely different. You see these bigger hooks. These ones are a bit different as well, as you can see. But this one has the clip, this one doesn't. Like what? So we say fuck it, we install them and see if anything goes wrong and just remember which side it is.
Yeah, your face is already completely covered in crap.
Always the same. Okay, so let's try it. We'll first do the coupon with this side. It needs to go like this, I think. believe it or not, I made a picture how it needs to go. So glide pin is on that side. Here. Goes there. Let's look at it again. I think like this.
Daan! Just put it in.
Yeah.
Did you do it?
Oh.
Daan!
Wait. Why doesn't this work?
Just put it in.
Oh.
Did you have it the wrong way around?
Yeah, looks like it.
Oh.
I think that's it. Okay, but now this is probably not in enough, right? How can we push it in? It's always the same with these things. Okay.
Okay. Trying to collapse the piston. I don't think it's going anywhere.
Okay.
Maybe open the bleeder valve?
Let's scratch the space. No. Do we need to do that?
That's what he said.
Okay,
The
then
guy
we
in
need
the
to get
video.
it then.
Yeah, do it. So push it.
Wait a second.
Push the thing. Do it, Daan. Hurry.
Nice thing is that it's impossible to grab with this thing.
Everything's going wrong.
How about we get it off? For now.
We got a glue clamp. Hopefully this can help us conquer the world.
That's quite annoying.
How the f do people do this on their own?
I don't know. They maybe it's smarter than us. Is it going in?
Ow, my thumb!
Oh. Where's your thumb?
Yeah, I'm between the... Ow!
Oh, why-
my other finger!
Where is it?
Between everything. Okay, I think if it's not in now, I don't know what the f. Ow! Jesus
What the hell happened?
Christ. It exploded. Did it get pushed in?
I don't really think so that much.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Try and get the two
The nipple off a bit,
the,
right?
the brake pads in between there.
Yeah, I think it needs more.
Shit.
Right?
Okay, we're a bit later and we're completely stuck and everything sucks.
Yeah, so apparently we need to do something special because it's the back that has integrated brakes. We're at this stage.
Profanity.
Only profanities.
So on this side we tried the giant clamp. Even with that we couldn't get the piston in. So yeah, everything sucks.
Bigger than this one. So can you get me the rattle?
Kijk, dit is de ratel.
How is it called? Ratchet. How far should it go?
I don't know.
It still needs pressure.
Well, let's try the clamp again.
It means we need to get it off again here.
What do we call this video, Dan? This episode?
Fucking up my life.
Oh, I think it's pushing in.
Yeah.
I think so. Okay. It is over the piston thing. Why isn't it going?
Early. It's done.
Put the other glide pin in.
Yeah, where is it?
Where is it?
Fuck, where did we put it when we got it out? Oh yeah,
Oh,
yeah, no,
there
it's
it
this
is.
one.
Here. Yeah, cleaned up.
Yeah.
Done. This has to be one of the worst things we've ever done.
Yep, and it was so easy if we just were a little bit less stupid.
Yeah. Why didn't you do any research?
I thought it was just like the front, which we did quite easily back then.
Rear brakes on MX5s suck.
Yeah, I think next time we can do it a lot easier.
Yeah.
Because now we know what we need to do. Rubbers seem to be sitting okay.
Okay. We need to retighten the Allen thingamajig.
Yeah. No, we need to get this to spec, so.
Spec of what? Of the handbrake?
No, the bolt below.
Slowly we're descending into insanity.
Slowly? Speak for yourself. I'm already completely insane. No way to fucking save me, mate. I'm cooked. So, apparently, or as we should have expected, we're stupid idiots. So apparently we need to get a bolt here loose.
Yeah, for the handbrake. E-brake.
This one, and inside there is an Allen key. We also need to get loose. And then apparently it should work. Then we were able to compress it on the other side, so let's hope it also works here. What do you think?
I don't think it's doing much. Think there's more in there?
I don't know. I think I can literally not. I thought I was just pressing it.
Let's go paint my brakes. It'll be fun.
I need to
In and out, 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's not what I said, but we need to replace the back anyway. But this is fun.
We're having so much fun. This is absolutely the best. Good looking plek. Alright, so this time the cylinder actually went in easily. Now I put the disc on.
Smooth is better. The only thing is we already fucked up the paint because we're so fucking done with everything.
We're stupid.
And did we already clean this one?
What?
I cleaned
oh yeah, I
the
cleaned
side.
inside a bit, but yeah.
So I only need to clean this part.
It's getting very late. Everything sucks. Yeah, make sure there's no trap on it. It's literally flat on the ground. Yeah, like that. That's fine. Do you have the brackets in there?
They are.
Oh, okay. Are they both on?
Yeah.
Okay, now's the moment of truth. Daan, if this fucks up, I'm pushing this car into the ditch. Yeah.
Okay.
To go in one.
Yeah, because we did it, pushed it in further on the other side. Now we still need to get these ones on.
It's not threading into the hole.
I can't find it.
Then you need to find the hole.
Yeah. But it should just go easily, right? Why doesn't it go easily? Something with this. Jim. One more.
Okay, so Daan put the brake pads the wrong way around.
In my defense, it's dark.
And it's late. And we're done. Calipers are on. The Allen thingy is adjusted, but Daan, what did you forget?
Forgot my key. But maybe I can quickly get it and...
It's already 9:15.
Yeah, but now we're gonna finish it. We only need 10 minutes more.
Daan went home to get his car keys. I, in the meanwhile, put the wheels back on and torqued them back to spec. So we'll see if we actually did it right or if this whole project has been one giant disaster. So yeah, hopefully we'll be able to just drive this out of here. Daan's back, gonna see. Okay, Stroll.
It's idling.
It's idling.
Yeah. No movement.
Movement on this side. Okay, we put it in gear again. Okay, this type turns. And this is why you need a limited slip differential. So I think your handbrake has completely locked this.
Could be.
I think we're not gonna drive this out of here tonight. The Allen wrench is too tight. But I think you can do that without removing the caliper. So we'll have to look at that
just
next time.
back.
But that'll have to be next time.
I'm just gonna do it now.
No?
I'm done. So I'm gonna finish it. So I need the ratchet and so.
You had it before here.
But everything disappears here without our interference.
We did a bit of fiddling with the handbrake Allen key adjustment thingy.
Now this moves again.
Yeah, so let's see if that did the trick. And of course now the other side seemed to be stuck, so we're adjusting that. And it's getting later and later.
Can you feel the handbrake?
Oh, the handbrake is on!
Oh. Okay. Then probably I need to have it tighter.
Did you have the handbrake on when you were adjusting the other side as well?
No, I probably did it when I stepped out because that's the thing I do before I step out of my car.
Even when it's jacked up?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it just it's just a routine you do when you get out of your car. How does the handbrake feel?
This is up.
No movement, put it down. Movement.
Okay, that's fine. That's fucking fine, just send it. The wheels are going back on. We adjusted the Allen wrench thingy for the handbrake. So if these wheels are going back off, I'm leaving.
No.
Alright, so the brakes still aren't adjusted correctly. So I'm gonna go because I have to work in the morning. Daan's gonna finish up.
Yes, so maybe I'll show how badly everything's going. Okay.
Daan's gonna be further fine-tuning the brakes. Good luck.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay, so it's quite late. I'm going to test it. I found Jim's sunglasses, he forgot them. I'll get them probably tomorrow or something. I still have the idea that left has a bit too much force. Can be just that it needs to be driven in a bit, so let's try that, and if it's too bad we'll put it back and try to fix it next weekend. Okay, so we're going for a test drive. Driving out was okay. We'll see if we have any wobble once at speed and adjust if necessary. I did a test drive, seemed to work okay, don't really see any problems. Did a few big ABS brakes. Both sides seem evenly hot at the end, not like one side is extremely hot and the other not. I think it all should be fine. And yeah, I think it actually looks also kind of cool. Let's show. In comparison to this, so I think that's an improvement. And we need to get the brakes and brake pads done anyway, so now time to do the front side some other time, but that should be easier. But we'll see. Now quickly going to the McDonald's for some dinner. It's like 10:30, so I think I deserve some. See you guys next time. So good news, we got our treat. Now it's really the end.